Hello, today I will be talking about my lab architecture with PHP. For starters, I have to start up XAMPP control panel, and inside of XAMPP control panel, I have to click start to start my Apache server and start to start my mysql. After that, I can then create web pages, which is created in the htdocs folder under the XAMPP folder under C drive. Within this folder holds all the PHP files to my project. The PHP file show name shows all the current names that's in the database. There's two ways to look at the names in the database, either by simply clicking the show names PHP or log into the actual database itself. And there's two ways to get into the database. Either I can type in localhost /PHP myadmin, or I can go back into the XAMPP control panel and click admin. After that, I have the project one database, and within the project one database I have a names table, and within the names table you can see all the names that I inserted into the database. To see all PHP files within the folder, I simply type in localhost project 1. Now I'm going to insert a new name into the database. Okay, so I just entered a new name into the database, and again I'm going to click show names in database, and as you can see, that new name has been inserted into the database. And if I go back to my names table within the actual database, you can see that the name was also added into the names table within the database. If I wanted to delete a name from the database, I simply can click delete record. And if I want to delete the name that I just entered, I will pick the count, which is 8, and then hit submit. Now, as you can see, it's no longer in the database. On the web page, or if I refresh this, in the names table database either, it's not there. Okay. And if I want to look at the code for some of my databases, up here where it says db connect mysql connect localhost root, and then I left this blank, that's basically me logging into my database. Localhost is the name of the database, which is on my computer. It's the name of the server that's on my computer. It could also be an IP address. Root is the generic username, and I have no password. That's why I left it blank. My database name is included in this file also. Database name equals project 1 database. I also have to make sure that each of these names, first, middle, initial, and last, is spelled the same exact way because it's case sensitive, so that when I insert a name into the database, it will go to the right column. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.